Hindi ko in-expect na ganito pala kaganda dito. We arrived around 10 p.m. Madilim, liblib, at una naming tanong, nasaan yung resort? Pero that night turned out to be one of my favorite parts of this trip. After a whole day of sightseeing sa Puerto Galera, finally we reached Casa Ley Villas and Dive Resort. Nabook ko siya sa Agoda with a huge discount. From 7,000 pesos, naging 3,165 na lang a night. Di ba ang bongga? Tapos para kang nasa maliit na village. Each guest may kanya-kanyang villa and the bathroom is open style with a shower and even a mini pool. Kaso lang, since maulan that night, medyo marumi na yung pool at hindi na ako naligo. At ayun, may palaka pang pumasok. Medyo natakot nga ako eh. But still, the place is beautiful. You have direct access to the beach. Sobrang peaceful ng view and it's so relaxing na mag-breakfast sa harap ng calm sea. Casalay is a hillside beachfront resort. Imagine waking up to a sea view na parang painting sa ganda. Perfect to sa mga mahilig mag-dive. Just 5 to 10 minutes boat ride lang, nasa diving spots ka na agad. Pero take note, hindi siya accessible by car. You'll need to walk around 10 minutes from the parking area, which is 200 pesos per night. Or kung ayaw mo maglakad, pwede kang mag-boat for 300 pesos. But don't worry, free naman ng boat ride kapag check-in and check-out. So we got the 1-bedroom sea view villa. This is a loft-style villa with a balcony overlooking the ocean. So itong itsura niya. The beds are super comfy and nice talaga. Surprisingly, ang sarap ng tulog ko. For me, this stay was absolutely worth it. Saan ka nakakita ng 3,000 plus, completely private, quiet, ganito kaganda? Casalay reminded me that luxury doesn't have to mean expensive. Sometimes, it's just about peace, nature, and a view that feels like it's all yours.